Welcome to the channel, everyone. Well, I got some bad news. I know I was getting ready to bring this project back to the channel, and like I said, I got some bad news. Yeah, right here. That stuff laying on the floor, that's the frame. That's the frame of the truck. It's pretty bad. I think I'll try to get some pictures instead of trying to crawl under there and show you, but it's bad. It's so bad that I actually feel unsafe driving it. So it can't go on the road anymore until that's fixed. So that's a real bummer. That side's worse. This side ain't so bad, but you can still see. You can see, and that's just me poking with my finger. I think if I took like a hammer and tapped on it, I think I could really bust out a whole bunch. So yeah, really disappointed. I was gonna do, like I said, I was gonna bring this back and do some stuff to it. I know, looking back, it's a pretty popular project that I had on the channel. I know when I started working on this thing, it was bad, rusty. I mean, that's why the project name is Junk S10, because really it was junk back then. And I kind of questioned myself as I was working on it, but once I got it done, I felt like I had a cool little truck here that was safe to go down the road. Now the back of the frame, which is where I did all my work fixing that, the back of the frame actually looks fine. I mean, it's plenty strong enough. Like I said, I would trust that to go down the road, but now the front is just bad. And I guess it was like 5 years ago. I thought it was like 2 years ago, but it's more like 5 years ago is when I did this project. So last time I was under there, that frame wasn't falling apart like that. But I just happened to go down there. I forget what I was even down there looking for. And I looked up in the frame. Like I said, I pulled that out with just my fingers. So it's not looking good. Not looking good for this project. Yeah, it needs a frame. And then when you take everything apart, what else is it going to need? What else is rotted? I don't know. But yeah, that's like I said, that's kind of that's the real bummer here. I don't know. I don't know if I could find a decent frame to slide under it or not, but I don't know. That's getting into a lot of work, so I really don't know. Probably gonna have to park this one and probably gonna move on to the 80 truck here, and then try to get that thing running, I guess. Try to get it running and driving. Then maybe we might revisit this and do something to it. But anyway, that's kind of the little video for today, guys. I feel bad because I was going to get rolling on this truck again, and I thought maybe it'd be pretty popular, but wasn't meant to be, guys. It wasn't meant to be. So I guess that's gonna do it for this one, guys. I'll see you.